Sacred Heart High School, 6th Standard, History, Chapter 3, The Harappan Civilization, Part 1. In this chapter, we will learn 3.1 Harappan Civilization, 3.2 Housing and Town Planning, 3.3 Seals and Pots, and 3.4 The Great Bath. So dear students, let's begin with the introduction. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. 3.1 Harappan civilization. The term Harappan civilization refers to the ancient Indian civilization because it was discovered in an archaeological excavation in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the banks of River Ravi. It is also known as the Indus civilization as it is named after the Indus River. The human settlement similar to that of Harappa were discovered in the Indus Valley at Mohenjo-daro, along with other cities like Kalibangan, Dholavira, Daimabad and Lothal. There were great similarities in the remains found at these places like town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage system, seals, pots, toys and burial customs. 3.2 Housing and Town Planning. Baked bricks, unbaked bricks and stones were used for the construction of houses. The houses had rooms built around the central courtyard, and each house was quite spacious. The houses also had wells, bathrooms and toilets. There was a provision to carry sewage from the house along with an excellent drainage system in which the baked earthen content were used. Sewage means wastewater and content means a channel for conveying water or other fluid. The streets had covered drains built with bricks. This shows there was a great concern regarding public health. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. A grid pattern means something which is in a pattern of straight lines that cross over each other, forming squares. The houses were built in rectangular blocks. Each town were divided into 2 or more sections, and each section had a separate fortification. Fortification means a defensive wall. 3.3 Seals and Pots. The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called estetite. Estetite is a greyish green or brown color stone. Humans and animal figures like elephant, tigers, oxen were engraved on these seals, and these seals were used for stamping. There was some pictographical writing at the top of the seal. Pictographical means a picture representing a word, phrase or an idea. Earthen pots of various types and shapes were made of red terracotta. Red terracotta is a brownish red clay, and there were various designs of leaves, flower and animal motifs on these pots, and they were mainly in black color. Motifs means different designs. There was a custom of a burial of a dead along with pots. 3.4 The Great Bath. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. There were steps leading down to both sides of the tank. The inner side of the tank was lined with the baked bricks to prevent the seepage of water. Seepage of water means to avoid any leakage. There was a provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. This chapter will be continued in part 2. Thank you.